no idea as to the outcome, but I've done all I can.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do part 2 of the Boxy Charm vs Ipsy video. So I've gotten my May bag in for the month. It comes in this little thing right here. I actually have, I don't know if anybody else has it, but the add-on where they actually send me replacement blades for the razor that they sent me. And then they also sent me the Refreshment Breezy deodorant here. Now, this is a breezy deodorant. It's with eucalyptus and julep. It is an all-day airy protection, aluminum free, baking soda free, and leaves you feeling extra fresh. Now, I have been trying this from the first week that I got it, and it does smell really minty whenever you smell it, but when you get it on, it actually changes with your hormones. And so, to be really honest with you guys, I hate to have to say this, but it really it doesn't really hold. So there's been times when I've went to the gym and have applied this on, and it did not hold me at all. It also over the and I thought maybe I didn't put enough, so I did add some more, like kind of added another layer. But what I also started noticing that my underarms began to burn and kind of hurt. So I'm under the impression that my armpits do not like this, and so it's a no for me for this. And it's so sad because it is. I mean, it's a full size deodorant, but I can't use it. My pits don't like it, and yeah, they don't hold me. So yeah, so I don't know. I'm not discouraging anyone from trying this on their own. I'm just saying this is what happened to me. So yeah. Now we're gonna actually get into the actual makeup bag, and there's only one thing to actually really try as far as with our makeup goes. I'm going to try the chapstick, I guess, while I am working on my makeup. We can do that. So this is the Moisture Rich Hydrating Balm in Watermelon. No, don't think we're focusing. We're trying. Okay. So I'm going to try that now. And so this is, okay, so it's the Jersey Shore Cosmetic Watermelon Moisture Rich Hydrating Balm. The juicy watermelon scent is a total throwback to the fruity lip balms of our childhood. It's made with sunflower oil, which is high in vitamin E, and cocoa butter to soften and nourish your skin. Plus, it's great for moisturizing your cuticles and rough patches. Swipe it on your bare lips for a hit of moisture to wear it before lipstick so it goes on smooth. And this retails for $10. The putting it on my cuticle really threw me off. But yeah. It smells like watermelon. It's definitely a normal chapstick. So yeah. I'm always here for some chapstick. I lost my last one that came in the other one. I was so sad. So that's that. Let me make sure I don't lose it this time. We also got the Coco Cabana cream, Bum Bum cream. I got this in Boxy Charm, so I already know how this works, so I won't try this on with you guys. But just to read what they say, close your eyes and take a whiff. This scented cream will transport you to the tropics thanks to the Brazilian-inspired notes of coconut, orchard, and toasted praline. Oh, and the blend of body-loving oils. They leave skin hydrated for 72 hours. Tip: massage this cream into damp skin after showering to lock in moisture. So this retails for about $45. But then again, I just, you know, I might as well. There's nothing wrong with putting a little lotion on your hands. Clearly, I'm not fresh out of the shower like that. Well, not directly out. I did just take a shower, but. And it does always smell really great. Like I said, I've gotten this in the Boxy Charm. So this is no stranger to me. Uh-oh, my top's not all good. Next, what did I do with that? I'm about to fight with this lotion like this. Okay. Alright, so next, we're going to get into the Mama, I don't know, Petal Soap Spa Oil to Foam Cleanser. So there's something so satisfying about an oil to foam cleanser, and this rose oil formula feels like heaven on your skin. Gently dissolves makeup, dirt, sunscreen, mascara, and more for a healthy cleansing glow. Massage onto dry skin, add water to foam, and massage for 30 seconds and rinse. Oh, so this is a facial wash. Oh, so it gently dissolves makeup, dirt, sunscreen, mascara, and more for a clean, healthy glow. Massage on the dry skin, add water to foam, massage for 30 seconds and rinse. Okay, well, we will try this tonight when we take our makeup off. I wasn't sure what this was, so reading is fundamental, obviously. So, yeah, we're going to try this. This retails for $21. So, we're definitely going to... Yeah, we're going to try this tonight. Sorry, I'm just really shocked. But yeah, we're going to try this tonight. We also got a brush here, and we're going to try that today. So this Complex Culture All Over Shadow Brush. We know this time is precious, so this multitasking shadow brush will have you pull together and out the door in no time. Use it wet or dry to shade your crease, blend shadow, or highlight your inner corners. It also has a biodegradable handle and is made to fit all eye shapes and sizes. Use this tapered size to smooth and color and the fluffy tip to blend it out. This retails for $18. I love the package that it comes in. It's so cute. Well, not really cute, but it's just nifty. Alright, come on out. And this is the brush. This is what it's looking like. So we're definitely going to give that a try. An all over shadow brush. Alright, we're definitely going to give that a try. So we'll leave that out. And the star of the show for today, to which we're going to use, is the Stuck On You Eye Primer. This is the Beauty Crop Stuck On You Eyeshadow Primer. The difference between eyeshadow that smears in seconds and eyeshadow that lasts for hours. You're looking at it. Worn under favorite cream or powder shadow. This eyeshadow primer prevents pigments from creasing, fading, or flaking for flawless all-day wear. Tips: only use a teeny bit. A little goes a long way. Thanks for telling me that, because I would have never thought that. And this retails for $16.50. So we're going to go ahead and try this. This is the main McCoy that we've been waiting for. And, okay, just dropping all type of boxes. This is what it looks like. I wish they would have let me know, do I apply this with my hand or what? Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to work to get this undone, and then we're going to come back, because clearly I'm going to have to work with the packaging. Okay, I got it open. So this is what it's looking like. I'm not sure if you can see. That's what it's looking like. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to use kind of just one of these little, small little brushes, because it says we don't need a lot. So I'm going to place this on the eye. And I'm wondering if probably doing it with my finger probably would have done better, because it probably would have warmed it up. But we here now. And what we're going to use is just go back in and also use the, we're going to use the, sorry y'all. We're going to, we're going to use the same eyeshadow from Boxy Charm, because that's one of the newest things we've got. And plus I needed to do another makeup look with it anyway. So, yeah. One thing about eyeshadow primer you have to remember is that it is see-through, and so you have to know that it's there and trust the process. When you're so used to concealer, you're used to seeing it there. So, that is on. So, now let's go ahead and get on with the eyeshadow primer. I mean the eyeshadow itself. So today I'm going to get into these pinks here today. These pinks, and probably use one of these this midnight eyeshadow, this glittered as well. So that's me using Halo, Twinkle, Sunset, and possibly Midnight. So we're going to go. Well, those are both glitters. How's that gonna work? It's not gonna work. Interesting. Let's go in with Halo, and we're just going to pack that on. Y'all, I'm sorry, y'all. I wonder if I'd be using the wrong type of light for y'all to see anything. And I'm just kind of packing that on the crease, and I'm going to probably bring it out to the outer corner because all the rest of that is glitter. So I don't know how we're going to get that crackling like that. And generally when I'm trying out something, I really just do the most simplest application, because until I kind of understand the shadows, because that is the only way. I will say it is very pigmented though, because Halo is here. She is here. I do like this brush. It is definitely getting big spaces done quickly, and I could appreciate that. Is this light too bright, y'all? Let's try something else. Let's go down one, because I just don't know if you guys can see anything. And I feel like for me, I can't see, but you guys probably can see everything. Once I play it back, I probably will be able to see. The brush is alright now. Okay, next I'm going to find one of my brushes, and I'm going to look for my fluffy brush. You got anything on you? You look clean. Yes, I'm going in with my Luxie 237 blending brush, and I think I'm going to take Georgia Peach because it's kind of a peachy color, and I'm going to tap that right over, oh Lord, right over top. I don't know if I really liked how that did. I might should have just took Halo all the way up. But again, we here. I don't like that at all. So what I'm going to do now? And this is prime example what I do like about kind of experimenting with you guys as I'm doing it. When I'm trying to add a palette, you guys actually see the real, when things don't go as planned. And when you have to figure out what to do next. So I'm going to go back in with Halo, and I'm actually just going to bring that up some more. And try to blend the two like that, because it doesn't look very seamless to me. There we go. So Halo probably could have did the darn thing by itself, honestly. And you would just have to take a fluffy brush and kind of just blend it up as far as you can get it without it looking foolish. And then maybe just taking a lighter something. Yep, that's much better. Way to correct something that you had no intent of doing the first time. Now, this says that we can do everything with it, so let's see what's popping. I wouldn't really use it to blend up like a small area, but let's see if we can put Twinkle Twinkle. If I could pack this on. Okay, it does good packing. So as long as you got your little blending switch thing, you probably can use this for everything, but kind of blending up towards the eyebrow. I would definitely say that. she could be a definitely all over thing, which is cool for your everyday looks. When you have your signature looks that you do, where you just need one brush and be one and done for work. I really need to invent one. I really don't have a signature one because it just all depends on what palette that I grab. A lot of times I'm a one color, like to choose a color where I could just put one color on my eye, blend it all the way up, and depending on it, I may or may not do an eyeliner, put on some lashes, and be out. That, I guess that will be what I say is my signature look, but I don't have one that I go to all the time. I guess I would say that's my style. Okay, that's Twinkle Twinkle. And then we're going to kind of wipe it off and go in with Sunset and kind of add it more to the... it doesn't do good for smaller areas. So that's a no for that. And that's okay. That is okay. We're going to go in with Sunset on a smaller brush. Might should have did Sunset over Twinkle Twinkle. I would say this palette is very easy for you to create whatever you're trying to create and quickly, because I definitely used this palette last night when I went out to eat with my family, my husband and my son, and I definitely busted out a cute little number very quickly with these glitters and this one solid color. I was in the brown family last night in this palette. I know y'all like, what? The brown family? Who is that? Okay, and then we're just going to go back and redefine Halo to kind of smooth everything back out and make sure everybody is blended together. I really don't like that, actually, now that I think about it. Sunset didn't do what I wanted it to do as far as right here. You got to kind of drag Sunset some, because it looked like I just slapped her right on my eye and was like, alright, we done. And I don't like that. Maybe I have to come back more with Twinkle Twinkle. So this is the eyeshadow in general. I'm going to go back and tweak it how I want. And then we'll discuss how we feel about things. And I'll be back once my face is done. Okay, so we are back, and I have finished everything up, and honestly, I feel like this eyeshadow primer did really good. Honestly, the colors went on beautifully. I didn't have any problem blending. It wasn't patchy. Like, it's a go for me. So overall, from what I have tried so far, I feel like Ipsy did pretty good. But I am going to have to say, because I didn't like the deodorant, even though I still have to try the face stuff, which we'll do later on tonight. But honestly, considering that I loved everything in Boxy Charm, I feel like Boxy Charm wins this month, because I loved every single thing that Boxy Charm sent me. Ipsy, that deodorant, my pits was like, nah sis, nah. So honestly, it was just because of the deodorant. Sorry. So yeah, so I will check you. I will insert me trying out the facial wash. We'll see how that goes, and we'll go ahead and wrap that up. Comment down below. Let me know what you got in your Ipsy bag this month. Let me know what you did and did not like, and I will catch you in the next one. Love you guys.